Kerala style Ashgourd coconut curry recipe. This recipe has very unique taste when served along with rice. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 250 grams of Ashgourd cut into small pieces like this. Also add 2 center cut green chilies, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 2 cups of water. Mix all together nicely. Close the lid and cook for 3 whistles on high flame. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Open after 15 minutes only.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut, 8 shallots, 3/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, half cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. Keep it for later use. Now we can open the lid. Ashgourd has cooked well. Now add the grinded mixture to it. Stir it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, switch off the flame. Finally, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until it splutters. Then add 3 red chillies, 8 shallots, 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Serve it for 4 minutes on medium flame until shallots change to light golden color. Finally, garnish it on top of it. Mix it well after 10 minutes. Our Kerala style Ashgourd coconut curry is ready. This recipe has very unique taste when served along with rice.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.